Do y'all want to know how to improve the curb appeal of your house in just a few minutes for under 30 bucks? Let's go. We'll be replacing this odd looking door knocker as well as this off-color door peephole in order to match the brush nickel hardware that I have for the deadbolt and the knob. We use these pliers to hold the nuts and this screwdriver to turn the screws out from the back. Because the new knocker is not the same size as the old knocker, we're gonna have to drill another hole further down. We're gonna reuse the top hole and fill this bottom hole. You can use wood filler for this, but I'm gonna be using this spackle that I have because I already have it. Plus the hole is gonna be behind the new knocker anyway, so I'm not really worried about the structural integrity of this repair. Don't forget to do the back side as well. And for easy cleanup, since we're not gonna be painting underneath this new knocker, you can just wipe around it with a damp paper towel. Same thing back here, but we will be painting this side. The box calls for a 13/64 drill bit. I don't have one of those, so I'm gonna be using this 7/32, which is one size up from that. Make a little scratch with your drill bit to tell you where to drill. If you're drilling through a door with metal on it, make sure you always put your drill on the highest gear and on the drill bit setting. It'll make your life a lot easier. No nuts on this one. The bolts just screw directly into the back of the knocker. We'll finish it off with a screwdriver. New peephole is next. Make sure you get the right size if you have a pre-existing one so you don't have to change the size of the holes. You'll need some kind of large flat instrument. It's too big for a screwdriver, so we're gonna use this spackle knife. Stick it in the grooves. And turn. For the new one, they come in two pieces. So unscrew the back from the front, stick the front through the door, put the back in there, screw it back together. So that's really all there is to it, guys. New peephole, new knocker, matching my knob and deadbolt. Thanks for tuning in. Follow me for more useful tips and videos like this.